Hi kitchen fam, welcome back to where we keep it simple, easy and absolutely delicious. If you are new here, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like and share it with your fellow food lovers. Today we are diving into a combo that slaps harder than Monday morning. Oven grilled chicken with golden chips. So let's get this juicy goodness rolling. First, my chicken already clean and behaving. For the marinade magic, I'm using chicken season cubes, soya maize, curry powder, salt, ginger powder, soy sauce, and a little splash of oil. Mix it all up like you are in cooking competition with your ancestors watching. Then let it rest. Give it enough, 15 minutes at least. Now is the time to grill this baby in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for an hour, which gives enough time to watch one episode of your favorite series. While that's going, let's show some love to our potatoes. Peel, wash and slice them into a chip sizes. Fry them till golden brown like the sunshine we all need but we complain about. Now for a quick sauce that brings everything together. Add some onions, bell pepper, blended tomato, curry powder, seasoned cubes, salt, thyme and so on. And boom, look at that chicken. Look at that chicken. Golden, juicy, behaving like it comes straight from a restaurant. Now don't leave without showing some love. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you. Today we are making something seriously delicious. Chicken pulos, also known as dambun kaza in Hausa. Trust me, you're gonna love this one. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like and share it with someone that loves good food. Alright, let's get right into it. So for start, I have got my clean and cut up chicken ready to go along with some slices of onions. For the magic flavor, I am using a mix of peppers, ginger powder, thyme, seasoned cube, a touch of curry and of course a little salt for taste. Simple ingredient, big flavor. Now let's get cooking. Add your chicken to the pot, then go ahead and throw all those flavorful ingredients that we just talked about. Give everything a good mix, then pour in just enough water to cook the chicken until it is nice and tender. Cover the pot and allow it to do its things, but don't forget to check in once in a while to make sure nothing is burning. Once the chicken has soaked up all that flavor and it is tender enough, it is time to smash it up using a spatula. While smashing, go ahead and take out any bones from the pot. Nobody wants surprise crunch. Keep on working until you get that perfect stretched texture. Yeah, it may take a little effort, but that is the secret to get that rich, flavor, and totally irresistible chicken plus. Once you have got that nice stretched texture, pour in enough oil to start frying the meat. And yes, the job's not done yet. Keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. You are looking for that beautiful golden brown finish that makes chicken plus so good. Once it is perfectly dry and looking golden, take it off the heat and let it cool down. After that, go ahead and strain it out from the oil. You can use whatever straining method that works best for you. Just then let it sit in the oil for so long. And there it is finally. Just look at this beautiful golden plus. So flavorful, so good. You can enjoy it with rice, pasta, bread, or just a snack on it straight. Thank you for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this recipe. See you in the next one.